Hello. In today's video, we will be going over installing the EMP Service Suite. This will cover how to download and install the Service Suite. We will first navigate to our website at emp-corp.com. Once you've landed on our homepage, navigate to the Customer Login section and sign in with your email and password. If you do not already have an account, click on the red text to register today. You may also look for our other videos on more detailed information. Once you've logged in, go to the Support tab, navigate to Drivers and Downloads. Once here, the most current version of the Service Suite will be located under the Current EMP Service Suite tab. We'll click on the blue text. This will bring us to an information page about the software you're going to install. You'll agree to our terms and conditions, download the file, and you'll download this to a place you'll remember on your computer. I will be downloading mine to my desktop. This software is free of charge. Please note you will need administrative rights to install this on your computer. To install the software, double-click on the .exe file that you downloaded and follow the prompts. If you need additional information or help, feel free to email us at service@emp-corp.com.